Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making a quick and easy Christmas stocking using fat quarters. You can even let your kids pick out their own fabrics for brand new Christmas stockings. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a fat quarter for the main fabric and one for the lining, fabric for the cuff and hanging loop, optional pinky shears, and of course the printable template. First, cut out templates A and B and tape them together. Fold the main fabric so the right sides face each other and place the template on top and cut out the two fabric pieces. Fold the lining fabric in half so the right sides face each other. Place the template on top and cut out the lining pieces. Place the main fabric pieces together with the right sides facing and stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance around the entire piece, leaving the top open. Do the same with the lining piece. Be sure to take your time on the curves. To reduce bulk, use pinking shears to trim between the stitching lines and the edge of the fabric on both of the pieces. Turn the main piece right side out and press it. Do not turn the lining piece right side out. Place the lining fabric inside the main fabric. Align the raw edges and the seams at the top and use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Cut out the cuff fabric using the template or your rotary cutter and ruler. Place the fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Fold the fabric in half so the shorter ends meet, and stitch along the edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Turn the piece right side out so the raw, unstitched edges meet and form a cuff. To make the loop, fold the fabric strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other and press it to make a crease. Open it back up and fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Fold the strip in half to make a loop. Place the raw edges of the loop inside the stocking at the seam on the heel side of the stocking. Make sure the loop's facing down into the stocking and baste it in place. Place the cuff inside the stocking with the cuff fold down and the raw edges at the top. Match the raw edges with the lining and main fabric edges and seams. Use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Secure the cuff by stitching all around the top of the stocking using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. To reduce bulk, use pinking shears to trim between the stitching line and the edge of the fabric. Turn the cuff right side out and pull on the loop and adjust the cuff as needed. And just like that, just that fast, you've made some brand new Christmas stockings out of some of your favorite fabrics. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.